So picture this. Bubba Wallace and Ryan Blaney were speeding along with a bunch of other drivers, all super close to each other, their hearts pounding with excitement. They were dreaming of winning the race and showing everyone how awesome they were. But then, in the blink of an eye, this huge crash was right near the finish line. Their dreams were crushed, and now they're trying to figure out whose fault it was. Both Bubba and Ryan know that winning a race is a huge deal, especially since it's the 2023 season. Can they bounce back and prove the haters wrong? We'll have to wait and see. But let's check out a video featuring one of NASCAR's very own drivers. And hey, if you like what you see, remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. So what happened during that crazy last lap? Bubba was in the lead when Ryan caught up to him, trying to zoom past him. Bubba managed to block Ryan a couple of times, but then Ryan's car got pushed up against the wall. This caused a massive pileup, and a bunch of other cars got caught in the mess. The race had to be stopped, and it was decided that Kyle Busch won because he crossed the finish line just ahead of Ryan. Ryan pointed out that you can't block someone 3 times in a row during a race. He was just glad everyone was okay after the accident. It's tough to know what to do when you're in charge of the race, like Bubba was, and you're trying to stop other drivers from passing you. How should they handle situations like this? It's not like you get a lot of chances to practice it. Ryan was a bit bummed because he really wanted to win that race. Ryan came in second place, which wasn't too bad, but he couldn't help feeling frustrated about missing out on the chance to win his first race of the 2023 season. He said, "I'm not blaming anybody, but I hate that the cars got wrecked because we were pushing the limits. It's a bummer that the final stretch of a race always seems to be the hardest part. Cars get damaged, and victory is just inches away, but still out of reach." Bubba Wallace took the blame for the crash. You could see he was really upset when he threw his Hans device after driving his damaged car back to pit road. When they asked him about it later, he admitted it was his fault. He said that Ryan Blaney's car, number 12, snuck up on him, and he didn't mean for things to turn out that way. Despite the disappointment, Bubba's team still had their best race ever. He thought he could handle it, but the whole thing was more difficult than he expected. They were all pushing and shoving, and instead of gaining ground, they were just throwing each other off balance. Now let's talk about another crazy incident that happened during the NASCAR Cup Series Geico 500 on Sunday, April 23rd at Talladega Superspeedway. Ross Chastain accidentally bumped into Noah Gragson, causing him to crash into the wall. Kyle Larson tried to help by pushing Noah's car, but ended up getting into an accident himself. Larson's car got hit really hard, and the roll bars were completely smashed. Everyone was watching with bated breath as Larson and another driver, Priest, collided at super high speeds. It was impressive that both could take such a hit and keep going. They were both treated at the Infield Care Center and were okay in the end. Kyle Larson is a popular driver, and he's actually getting ready to race in the Indy 500 in 2024. He's going to have his IndyCar seat installed soon, so he can start practicing. Unfortunately, Larson won't be able to make it to the Indy 500 in May because of a family commitment, but he's still really excited about getting his seat adjusted at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. He said he's not sure about the exact plans yet, but he's happy to have his seat insert ready in case he gets a chance to test drive the car. Larson's looking forward to learning as much as he can about IndyCar racing in the next few months and beyond. So there you have it, folks. Racing can be full of unexpected twists and turns, but these drivers are always ready to face the challenges and keep pushing themselves to be the best they can be. You guys might be wondering how much that crazy high-speed collision between Kyle Larson and Ryan Preece contributed to their injuries. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop a comment below. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload something new. Kyle Larson, an accomplished and talented racing driver, has caught the attention of Zach Brown, the esteemed CEO of McLaren Racing. Brown, known for his sharp eye for talent and strategic thinking, has expressed a keen interest in having Larson test drive a Lara Chevrolet and attend an IndyCar race this year. The intention behind this invitation is to provide Larson with the opportunity to familiarize himself with the inner workings of the renowned Arrow McLaren team and to gauge whether a potential collaboration would be mutually beneficial. The Lara Chevrolet, a high-performance vehicle designed for the rigors of competitive racing, would serve as the perfect platform for Larson to showcase his driving prowess. By observing Larson's performance during the test drive, the Arrow McLaren team can gain valuable insights into his potential as a team member and assess how well he might integrate into their existing dynamics. Furthermore, by attending an IndyCar race, Larson will have the chance to witness firsthand the fast-paced and adrenaline-pumping atmosphere that characterizes these events. This experience will not only enable him to understand the level of dedication and skill required to compete at this level, but also allow him to engage with the Arrow McLaren team in a more informal setting. It is worth noting that Kyle Larson is no stranger to the world of IndyCar racing. In fact, his first taste of the iconic Indy 500 dates back to 2013, an experience made possible by Chip Ganassi Racing. The team, with its impressive racing pedigree, recognized Larson's potential early on and afforded him the opportunity to immerse himself in the thrilling world of motorsports. With another wild race at Talladega behind him, the teams and drivers can finally catch their breath. Kyle Busch managed to avoid all the chaos and clinched his second win of the season. He only led for 3 out of 188 laps, but still won by a pretty good margin. Now, as we wrap up an action-packed April, the drivers are getting ready for the 11th and final race of the season out east. Next up, they'll be facing a whole new set of challenges at Dover Motor Speedway. This iconic track has been hosting NASCAR Cup Series races since 1969, when Richard Petty won the very first one. On Sunday, every driver will have to tackle the Monster Mile and all of its obstacles to reach that finish line. Now, the veteran drivers might have a bit of an advantage here, but nothing's ever certain in racing. Keep an eye on drivers like Busch, Kevin Harvick, Martin Truex Jr., and Chase Elliott, who all have multiple wins on this 1-mile oval. Hendrick Motorsports has been particularly successful at Dover, winning 4 of the last 7 races there. And don't forget about Denny Hamlin, another seasoned driver to watch next weekend. Denny Hamlin, an accomplished and skillful driver representing Joe Gibbs Racing, has consistently demonstrated his expertise on the challenging Dover International Speedway track. Over the years, he has managed to secure the coveted pole position 4 times at Dover, a testament to his ability to master the intricacies of this demanding course. One of the most memorable moments of the venue came in 2020 when he claimed victory, further solidifying his reputation as a force to be reckoned with in the world of motorsports. Hamlin's impressive record at Dover places him just behind his talented teammate, Martin Truex Jr., who boasts an even higher number of pole position wins. This healthy rivalry between the two Joe Gibbs Racing drivers not only fosters an atmosphere of continuous improvement within the team, but also sets a high benchmark for their competitors to strive towards. However, it's important to acknowledge the formidable presence of Kevin Harvick, a seasoned racing veteran who has etched his name in the annals of Dover International Speedway's history by achieving numerous records on this challenging circuit. Harvick's impressive accomplishments include the most starts at Dover, having competed in a staggering 42 races, showcasing his unwavering commitment to the sport and his ability to maintain a high level of performance across an extensive racing career. Furthermore, Harvick's prowess behind the wheel is evidenced by the remarkable 1,666 laps he has led at Dover, a statistic that reflects his skill in maintaining a competitive edge throughout the course of a race. His success at the track is further highlighted by the 23 top 10 finishes he has secured, a figure that attests to his consistency and mastery of the complex racing environment. Perhaps most notable among Harvick's achievements at Dover International Speedway is his record of 8 consecutive top 10 finishes. This incredible streak is a testament to his tenacity and adaptability as a driver, as well as his ability to thrive under pressure and maintain a high level of performance race after race. We hope you enjoyed this update. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more NASCAR new videos, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. See you in our next video.